Hey friends, welcome back to UpIQ, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add widgets in Revolut. Now once you're inside the Revolut app, guys, just simple scroll down and you will find add widgets at the bottom. You can click on that and it's going to show you the type of widgets that you can add here in the Revolut. So as you can see, there's different ones. There's a card, you can get even the health widgets. You can scroll down, you can add a schedule transfer widget and find subscription. You can add a watch list as well, alerts, and even check to see if there's ATMs nearby and as well. And these are some of the very few widgets that you can easily add. I'm going to go ahead and choose, for example, the top weekly offer. So let's say I want to add that in. I can click on that and I'm going to simply click on add widget, and this is going to be added into my Revolut. And as you can see here now, when I scroll down, I have that added here. And that's it, guys. Now if you want to move around a widget, you can simply press and hold and just move it and drag it to wherever you want on your phone. And that's it. Very easy and very simple.